name is Muhammad Asfa Izzat. Okay, you can call me Asfa. So I'm one of the instructor here. So in Drone Academy Asia, we do provide a lot of training, such as we got aerial mapping, we got precise mapping, and also for the famous course we got the RCOCB courses. Okay, here we do get one of the drone that we use. Okay, this is what we call the DJI Mavic 3 thermal. So it has the capability to do thermal scanning. Okay, this drone not only small in size, but also is also compact. Alright. Not only that, this one also can be used for thermal inspection, such as solar. You want to check about your gas leak and so on. Anything thermal related, you can use this drone. Okay, to check whether your instrument are pretty well met as the temperature according to the manufacturer standards. Alright, so as you can see here, this is our remote control. Currently, the drone is on. Okay, as you can see here, there's a temperatures reading currently intake. Okay, as you can see inside this box, okay, it detects the highest temperature and also the lowest temperature. Right. So in here, okay, not only that, we can adjust, okay, this level here, okay, to temperature alert to up to the certain degree that you want. Okay. Okay, alright. So not only that, okay, and then this thing you can screenshot it, okay, if you want to do further analysis. Okay. Right. Not only that, alright, this drone also equipped with RTK module. If you are interested doing precise mapping, okay, precise tagging, you can use the RTK module here attached above here. Okay. And then also this drone equipped with LED. Okay, let's say you are flying at night. Okay, flying at night, you can turn on this auxiliary LED to ensure that you will see your drone during night time.